inside Buddy, and he has a voice.
Hello.
Buddy has a voice now.
It's Buddy.
So I updated this. I changed this all to Birchwood, but I'm gonna be a good boy today's episode and go through down here. I don't really want to be a bad boy anymore and keep going. So in the last episode we built the swimming pool. Today's episode we're going to be building a sawmill, which we built the swimming pool. I built a mechanical room as well, built this, but yeah, because that's it, but yeah. Also, that's that. We are going to be getting a dog. Adding nobody today because there's no one.
I'm your dog.
Yeah, I know. Brittany, come with us. I was hoping we could take Ben, Boris, or Spring Jr. Because Spring was my first ever dog. Look, we're not adding anyone, but who we will be adding will be on here now. This is the crystal. So that I've added these signs here, so there's more on them, so yeah. So, let's go. Jesus, I just fell off like over the chair, but okay. Right, so, let's go. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here. So we're gonna be building on this new area now. Aren't we, buddy? We're gonna be building over here. Okay, so
We need to clear out some of the trees.
yeah, this is mainly going to be our bricks, so let me build that. So I'm going to build like this, and I ain't got a door, but Buddy should have a door.
We'll clear out the trees.
It's gonna go.
Wait, do we place the door?
This one's gonna go right up against the path. It's gonna be a dark oak door, yeah. This one is gonna go further in this direction because this is gonna be a bigger build. I'll bring this back. I don't actually know how many blocks, but we'll load it back this now. Do you wanna destroy some trees, bud? Lever may be leaving, you know, guys. I'm gonna build this up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Build it up 9 blocks this time. In the last episode we built a swimming pool. In the episode before that we built the police station, which is only over there. See, we're running out of bricks really fast. That's why I bought so many bricks. I bought as many as I could. I found clay, literally, there was like a clay ocean over, so go to where, say I was at Warriors Island, I would to go over there, and at the shore on the other island over there, there's like another shore at the other side. There was literally like so much clay, it was unbelievable. Also, I just randomly bought so much bricks as well in stacks because I felt like no stacks. When did you get? All my helpers seem to like get the bricks somehow. I'm pretty sure, Buddy, did you go looking through Sharky Way? Well, not Sharky Way's chest. Did you go looking through Johnny's chest? You probably went looking through Johnny's.
I keep all these stuff in my chest.
Oh. Then how did you get all of it? Maybe he still has it from from a long time ago. I don't know. Buddy does his own things, you know. He builds. He does.
Oh, magical.
Bruh.
It's hard to believe that dogs can play Minecraft, but they can. Because I'm a dog, I can play Minecraft. I can even speak.
Wow!
I'm magical.
Well, more like what me and Frank gave you a voice, actually.
No, don't do the behind the scenes, no. Don't say the behind the scenes.
Why?
I want to keep. Yeah, I'm just a magical dog, okay?
Right.
I had
Okay.
this voice a very long time ago. Kept this voice.
I updated that CD trap so it works. There's cobblestone around the bottom. I can't believe how much we've got in the town. We have the sweet shop, the meaty meat store, the hotel. All of it. Like, I can't believe this anymore. Episode 100. We need to do a world tour on this because this is episode 50. I was meant to do a world tour, but I felt like doing a sawmill. Oh, if you didn't know what we're building, guys, it's a sawmill. If you want to go fill that in. I'm going to fill this whole floor in with... Actually, what am I going to fill this all in? I'm going to fill this in with some... Because I'm going to fill in the walls, actually. The walls are going to be out of quartz. Someone has probably got the material. Oh, for God's sake. I just fell down a hole. I fell down a
What
hole.
blocks do you need?
Oh, it's meant the wood's going to be out of oak planks. Okay.
Oh, you need oak planks.
No, I have oak planks already. You have them.
Oh, I've got loads already. Look, there they are.
I bet you remembered that we were using oak planks, didn't you? And there was me.
I mean, I did just drop you 3 stacks.
Well, here we go. Buddy's always prepared. Buddy's literally always prepared, aren't you, Bud?
Yep. Like I told you, I'm a magical dog.
Bruh. I have so much quartz. I think what this is going to be is going to be like a... So we'll leave 3 blocks up there. We'll put the... So we're going to put the roof above this. So the roof's going to go up above this. Oh, I'm not going to sleep. There's not many things we can do. Or shall we go sleep, buddy? Shall we go sleep?
I mean, I have got 2 beds on me.
Okay. Let's sleep.
Yeah. We just quickly come down. Oh my god. Like,
Okay. Listen down.
I got blue and green. You can have the blue one. Or the green one.
I like how you're just, I can see you. Okay.
I see you.
I can see you. I don't actually think this will take too long to build, this sawmill. The sawmill's really easy, to be fair.
We will see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Will it take long or will it not?
If you can you start digging out the floor? Digging it out.
Okay.
The roof's going to be out of bricks, basically. We're going to have the roof out of bricks.
As you can see, I kind of try and fill in it in the...
Yeah.
Wait, what blocks do you need? Do you
No,
need more quartz?
I've got enough quartz. I've got over enough.
Oh, I've got 3 stacks.
You know what? I'm gonna build it up one more block because I feel like it. We have enough, so that's all.
If you run out, I've always got 3 stacks, so just ask me.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna fill in the roof.
Mason, I'm sorry, I kind of stole one of your swiftness potions.
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, guys. I don't mean that. I felt that. From up there, don't fill the whole thing in. You can help fill this in, can't you?
Let me try. Oh. I tried a bit before. Cool. Look at it go back up. My ladder. We're in. Oh.
You're probably on white.
It is took some parts of me. Okay, we're back. Like 3006. I'll die.
Because what we can do now, it'll be way easier to fill in the roof. Won't it?
Oh yeah, I forgot my pickaxe. Oops, okay, there it is. Right.
I'm gonna have to dig away some of this. Oh, so annoying building like this. I actually need to build the sawmill.
Lucky for me, I've got a ladder. What means I can come up. Mason, use the ladder.
I will. I've got so many bricks. It's unbelievable.
I just got 3 stacks.
I'm gonna probably leave some of this in the
Just
storage
use the
room.
ladder.
I know, I'm trying to get that. Right,
Break the ladder in, yeah.
there we go.
There we go.
Jump down!
Yeah,
Ooh.
you could use my ladder here. Hey, you could have just used my ladder.
Do you want to help dig out the floor? I'm getting invited by Wolfie. Spontaneous spleef!
Let's play some spleef. Come on, get on here. Let's play some spleef.
Oh, I hit you!
Oh, shoot. You're gonna kill me in a sec.
Ah, we both fell.
Oh, and now you fell again.
Whoa! I like this build because
How
it's
much
like
do we need to dig out?
all of it.
We need to dig out 2.
Oh. Fill the whole floor in with oak planks.
Okay. Guys, this is the whole behind the scenes.
Yeah, we flattened this all off.
Do you need any more? Oak? Or you said?
No, I'm set. You can. Why don't you take all of the oak? You take it. Take it.
I'm gonna put in some torches.
You take the oak because
Hey Mason, do you want to put in some torches?
Okay.
I got a stack of torches.
You got. Imagine you had a stack. I mean, I have one.
Imagine if I just start dropping you like, don't know, like 1,000,000 stacks. Oh, I just fell.
Bruh.
If you're good at parkour, that's the only way you'll get up.
Right, I'm gonna chuck all this junk in here. The stuff I don't need anymore. I don't need any of that. Right, so I'm gonna grab this stuff, all of this now. I have stone bricks on it. The roof probably meant to be out of stone bricks for the thing. Oh well. Oh no, the stone bricks are for something else. Okay, I know them. So, I have some oak planks on me right here. I can help. I had oak planks in the chest.
I've got more oak plates if you need any.
That's fine.
There's some oak plates if you need any.
No, I don't need any. I've got. Oh, my cat! My cat's in the middle of the screen. My cat was in the middle of the screen. Sorry about that, guys. I wonder how long
Oh,
she
is your cat a new block?
I don't know. Oh.
A new Minecraft block for you. Yeah, you can take the leftovers.
I'm not taking those.
Leftover blocks.
Leftovers.
Leftover blocks.
I'm gonna build like a sawmill sort of thing. So you're gonna build it 4 long. Put this like this. No.
Oh shoot, what is that? It's coming for me.
Is it a worm? A worm is
Listen,
off.
you never guess what. You never guess what. It's like this magical wave thing coming for me.
I think she's eating my chocolate. My cat's trying to eat my chocolate.
Oof. Do they? I think they need a ladder to get up. I don't think that's.
Yeah, we need a ladder on the back.
Okay, I'll just get. I've got a stack of ladders if you need any.
Oh no,
Yeah,
just
I'll
put
get
two there.
There you go.
Oh my goodness! Why did you give me all the junk? I'm not a junkyard. So the good thing,
They can clearly get up.
the good thing that's going to be about this, there's going to be,
It's like a jump out. Oh.
there's going to be a tree sticking out.
You placed that in my head.
Then here, there's going to be like a cutter thing.
And here's. Just destroy it for hands. It won't take that long. And here, guys, probably wondering what is this? This is Buddy's little hideout. No, whatever, find me here. Ah, you found me. No, don't whack me. And this thing's got to go chop chop.
Yeah, that's exactly what's going to. That was simple. I was going to do like redstone.
Oh no.
Then there's going to be
Just keep
stone
going,
bricks
chop,
here.
chop, 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 chop. It's chopping it. Mason, I can't stop it. It's chopping itself. Okay, I think it stopped chopping now. You stopped chopping too. That's simple. It's done.
No, it isn't. We need to add a little tree.
We carpet.
Need to add a
A
tree.
tree.
Yeah.
A tree. Cottage plant.
No, it won't be sideways, will it?
Oh. Right, your brain just came and knocked it over.
Yeah.
Your brain just bent it over.
But that's it. Do you want to add some like cutting machines and stuff around, and some like
Okay.
chairs and some like chests and decorate them?
I'm the best cutter ever. Oh, you want some chairs?
Chests.
Good chairs.
Chests.
Goodness. Oh. Chests, okay. Right, we got some quality. Let's go. Let's 1. That's 2. Look at how quality I am already.
I'm just gonna do it like this sort of tree. The pass right up against this building, and this is getting away. Oh well, that'll have to be like that. I should have done it the other way, facing the other way, but oh well, it's better like that. You know what? I think I might put it like this.
Wait, Mason.
Yeah?
This is the same for you. Can I not place a chest here?
Where?
There.
Pass me the chest.
Chest there.
No, it needs to, because you can't have double chests next to each other.
Oh. Right, I'll kill the double chests.
Put an ender chest there if you have any more.
Die double chest. Die double chest. Yes.
I'm going to put a
You've got
black
legs
carpet going around here.
there. Die. That thing won't die for like years. It'll kill you.
Oh!
Oh, next video should be us going to Mars.
No, I've got something planned for the next video.
Our next video should be us going to the end.
I've already been to the end off camera because, guys, if you were to go to the if I were to go into the end on the video, it would be really bad. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. We have died like 6 times.
It'd be like hours long.
Yeah, and we can't do Fantastic Adventures that long. And also, we kept dying.
That'd be all my storage out already.
I died a couple of times. It was on footage, but I didn't really want to upload it, and it would have been episode 17.
Mine got corrupted.
Yeah, it got.
There's a spinny. I need help.
Run!
I need
There's
help.
a different creeper!
Buddy's in trouble.
No!
Be good now.
Jesus Christ! I was like, holy.
Is your doggy still alright? Dog's
Yeah.
still alright.
Brittany's still alive. Brittany's a new one.
I'm
Jessica was
asleep.
saying, oh, this looks weird. No, I'm not doing that.
I can see you.
I can't. We're 23 minutes in already. Wow.
Jesus.
This is, can I have some oak woods, actually? Some stairs.
Oak wood, yes. I'll give you some. Oh, oak wood.
How are you standing like that?
Oh, you need oak wood stairs. You could have just told me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
There we go.
You have, Buddy must have so much stuff. Look at all of that.
Ah, there's a creeper. There's a creeper coming in. Creeper. Is that uninvited? Oh.
It never broke anything major. Broke a hole
That
from the
uninvited guest really didn't like this place.
No. Oh no. Look at that.
Bit mean. No, trying to give him a quality shot, but I guess he don't like it.
No.
It's quality anyway.
Yeah. And that can be like that.
With the choppy machines, we go. Yum.
La 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 Sunday Sunday Oh, what? Oh, I have a stack of diamonds in my ender chest. That explains where all my diamonds are then. That explains where my fortune pickaxes are. Oh, I remember this. I put this all in here because I was moving out. So. Also, guys, this building here is for, if I never told you, this is when every time a dog dies, Spring's in here, Barnaby's in here, Benji's in here, Lucky's in here, Max is in here. It's the order that they all died, so they all go in here. Oh, I remember the Rainforest Cafe. This was an easy build. It wasn't that long. But we're 25 minutes into the video, so let's go. I'm going to go to Buddy. What the hell, Buddy? What the hell?
I don't know. This person just came up to me and told me to build this. Let me build it. Let me see what it is first. Now let's build it.
Right. Hope you guys did enjoy that episode of... This is bugging me. That's it.
Oh my god, something's happening. Oh my god, I don't know what I am now. I've changed. Ow. That hurt. I'm gonna go back in it, hopefully it'll change me back. Let me change back. Okay, I think I've changed back.
You're not Buddy.
Oh, okay, then we've got to go back.
Like green booger.
I'm pretty sure I'm Buddy now.
Yay! Right. I hope you guys did enjoy that episode of Fantastic Adventures. Made by me and Buddy. Hope you guys did enjoy. Have a lovely rest of your days. And make sure to subscribe, hit that like button for more. And notification bell for more episodes of Fantastic Adventures. Good.